While most people still fear or misunderstand marijuana, savvy investors are turning this once taboo industry into massive legal profits. By adopting early and applying smart strategies, the opportunity is real, growing, and highly profitable. Let's dig in.
Chapter 1: From Taboo to Global Industry. For decades, marijuana was synonymous with crime, cartels, and the underground economy. But since the early 2000s, the map has shifted. Countries began legalizing marijuana, both for medical and recreational purposes. The United States led this trend through states like Colorado and California. Canada became the first G7 nation to legalize marijuana fully in 2018. Uruguay had pioneered legalization earlier, followed by Malta, Germany, Thailand, and several others. On the other side, many nations still treat marijuana as taboo. Southeast Asia, for instance, is notoriously strict. Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia impose severe penalties, even the death penalty, for possession or trafficking. The Middle East also remains largely closed, with the exception of Lebanon, which opened licensing for medical cannabis cultivation. This contrast shows how the world is divided. Some see it as a source of tax revenue and growth, while others reject it outright for moral and social reasons. Chapter 2: Market Size and Big Profits. According to Grand View Research, the global marijuana market is projected to reach over $57 billion by 2030. The average annual growth rate is expected to exceed 30%. These numbers rival the early stages of new technology industries usually targeted by early investors. In the United States alone, legal marijuana taxes bring in billions of dollars every year. Colorado, for example, has collected more than $2 billion since legalization. Canada recorded significant increases in GDP from this sector. For investors, profit opportunities come from multiple directions: marijuana company stocks, real estate for cultivation facilities, and derivative products like CBD oil, cosmetics, and edibles. What's striking is that profit margins in the marijuana industry can reach 50% or more, especially for high-value medical extracts. This makes it not only a large business but also a highly profitable one. Chapter 3: Famous Figures Who Invested Boldly. While the general public still hesitated, celebrities and billionaires stepped in early to capitalize on the marijuana boom. Rapper Snoop Dogg founded Casa Verde Capital, a venture capital firm specializing in cannabis. Jay-Z launched his premium cannabis brand Monogram, while Martha Stewart partnered with Canopy Growth to release Martha Stewart CBD products. Former U.S. House Speaker John Boehner, once anti-marijuana, now sits on the advisory board of Acreage Holdings, one of the largest cannabis companies in the United States. Billionaire investor Peter Thiel, through Founders Fund, also invested in medical cannabis startups. Even athletes and entertainers jumped in. Boxing legend Mike Tyson launched Tyson Ranch, producing THC and CBD products, and musician Willie Nelson has his Willie's Reserve brand. Actor Woody Harrelson is another advocate and investor in sustainable cannabis farming. This phenomenon shows that when an industry is still considered taboo, it's often where hidden wealth opportunities lie. These public figures not only invest for profit but also leverage their brand influence to dominate the emerging market. Chapter 4: Types of marijuana that are allowed. Not all marijuana is treated equally. Legalization typically divides cannabis into two categories: medical and recreational. Medical marijuana, used to treat certain illnesses like cancer, epilepsy, and chronic pain. Legal products often contain high levels of CBD, cannabidiol, a non-psychoactive compound with health benefits. Recreational marijuana contains THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, the psychoactive compound that produces a high. Countries like Canada and Uruguay permit recreational use, while many others restrict cannabis solely to medical use. CBD products. In many nations, CBD-based products that don't cause intoxication are more widely legalized, including cosmetics, oils, and supplements. With this classification, investors can choose safer sectors such as CBD or higher risk, higher reward areas like recreational THC. Chapter 5: Marijuana Stocks. The cannabis stock market has grown rapidly, especially in Canada and the U.S. Some major players include Canopy Growth Corporation, CGC, one of the world's largest cannabis companies, based in Canada, supported by Constellation Brands. Aurora Cannabis, ACB, focused on medical marijuana, operating in over 20 countries. Tilray Brands, TLRY, known for its large-scale mergers, now a global industry leader. Cronos Group, CRON, backed by significant investment from Altria, the parent company of Marlboro. Acreage Holdings, major U.S. player with advisory input from John Boehner. These stocks skyrocketed after legalization in Canada, although many later corrected. Still, for long-term investors, the sector remains promising.